Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on message likes on your Tinder app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your Tinder app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this mark, then it's going to take you to next window here or your profile. Then you just go up, you click here on this mark settings, then it's going to take you to next window or settings window, and you go down here, so you keep going, then you come here to push notifications, you will click here, and it's going to take you to this window, and you come here to message likes, which just, so if you don't have this color, that's mean it's turned off. You just click on this mark and it's going to show for you this color, that's mean message likes it's turned on now when this color show for us. So that's all you have to turn on your message likes, so it's turned on now. I wish now you all get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.